Hey there, mama-to-be. Ever wonder if that little snack you're craving is a superhero in disguise? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to reveal the top 10 superfoods that'll make you and your baby feel like you've got superpowers growing inside you. Listen, I know pregnancy can feel overwhelming. One minute you're glowing, the next you're wondering if pickles dipped in ice cream are a balanced meal. But don't worry, I've got your back. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods to stock up on to keep you and your little one healthy and thriving. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. Before going in, here's a quick tip. What is the best superfood combo for instant energy? A handful of almonds and a juicy orange. Protein, healthy fats, and vitamin C. Boom. You're welcome. Now, let's talk about why superfoods are so crucial during pregnancy. Your body's working overtime, folks. You're not just eating for two, you're building an entire human from scratch. That takes some serious nutritional firepower. These superfoods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that support your baby's development and keep you feeling your best. They can help with everything from boosting your energy to reducing the risk of complications. Pretty super, right? But here's the thing, not all superfoods are created equal regarding pregnancy. One of the foods on our list might seem like an unlikely hero, but it's got a secret weapon that can seriously reduce your risk of a common pregnancy complication. Stick around to find out which one it is. It's not what you'd expect. Before we go further into this video, like, share, and drop your views about this content, and subscribe. It helps YouTube to recommend this video to other viewers. Alright, let's count down these pregnancy superheroes. Let's start from number 10. 10. Greek yogurt. Not just delicious, this creamy delight is a calcium powerhouse. It's got more protein than regular yogurt, which helps build your baby's muscles and bones. Plus, the probiotics can ease pregnancy-related digestive issues. Pro tip: top it with some berries for a double superfood whammy. 9. Lean beef. I know it's not the first thing you think of as a superfood, right? But lean beef is loaded with iron, and trust me, you need it. It helps prevent anemia, which is super common in pregnancy. It's also packed with protein and vitamin B12 for your baby's growth. Just make sure it's well cooked. 8. Sweet potatoes. These orange beauties are bursting with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. This is crucial for your baby's eye development, skin, and bones. They're also high in fiber, which can help with those pregnancy digestive issues. 7. Eggs. Nature's multivitamin. Folks, eggs are rich in choline, which is vital for your baby's brain development. They're also a complete protein source and contain vitamin D, which many pregnant women are deficient in. And the best part? So many ways to enjoy them. 6. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Take your pick. These green machines are packed with folate, iron, calcium, and antioxidants. Folate is especially crucial in early pregnancy for preventing neural tube defects. Not a salad fan? Sneak them into smoothies. 5. Salmon. This fish is swimming with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, which is crucial for your baby's brain and eye development. It's also one of the few food sources of vitamin D. Aim for 2 to 3 servings a week and opt for wild-caught when possible. 4. Avocados. Guac isn't extra when you're pregnant. It's essential. Avocados are full of healthy monounsaturated fats, which help build your baby's skin and brain. They're also high in folate, potassium, and fiber. Spread it on toast, toss it in salads, or yes, make that guac. 3. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. They're like nature's candy, but so much better for you. Packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, berries can help keep your immune system strong and may even help prevent preeclampsia. Plus, they satisfy those sweet cravings without loading you up on refined sugar. 2. Lentils. These little legumes are nutritional dynamite. High in folate, iron, and fiber, they're a vegetarian's dream protein source. They can help prevent anemia, constipation, and even gestational diabetes. Toss them in soups or salads, or make a hearty lentil curry. And now, for our number 1 superfood, the one with the secret weapon I mentioned earlier. 1. Chia seeds. Surprise! These tiny seeds pack a massive nutritional punch. They're loaded with omega-3s, fiber, protein, and calcium. But here's the kicker: chia seeds are incredibly high in magnesium, which has been shown to significantly reduce the risk of preterm labor. Just a couple of tablespoons a day in your smoothie or yogurt could make a big difference. But wait, there's more. Let's discuss how to get these superfoods into your daily routine without feeling like you're forcing down some weird health concoction. Trust me, it's all about making these foods work for you. Breakfast bonanza. Start your day off right with a power-packed breakfast. How about a Greek yogurt parfait? Layer that creamy goodness with some mixed berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Bam! You've just knocked out 3 superfoods before 9 a.m. Or, if you're more of a savory morning person, whip up a spinach and avocado omelet. Eggs, leafy greens, and healthy fats all in one delicious package. Smoothie queen. Okay, let's talk smoothies. They're like a pregnant woman's secret weapon. Toss in some spinach. Trust me, you won't even taste it. A handful of berries, half an avocado for creaminess, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Blend it up with some almond milk, and you've got yourself a superfood cocktail that'll make your baby do a happy dance. Snack attack. When those pregnancy munchies hit, be prepared. Keep some almonds and dried berries in your bag for a quick energy boost. Or my personal favorite, sweet potato toast. Yeah, you heard me right. Slice that sweet potato, pop it in the toaster, and top it with mashed avocado and a sprinkle of chia seeds. It's like avocado toast's cooler, more nutritious cousin. Lean and mean lunch. For lunch, how about a super-powered salad? Start with a bed of leafy greens, add some grilled salmon for those omega-3s, toss in some berries for sweetness, and sprinkle with pumpkin seeds for a satisfying crunch. Drizzle with a simple olive oil and lemon dressing, and you've got a meal that'll make your OBGYN proud. Dinner champion. For dinner, let's make it easy but effective. How about a one-pan wonder? Sauté some lean beef with a rainbow of bell peppers, toss in some lentils and spinach at the end, and serve it over quinoa. It's like a superfood party on your plate. Click the link in the description to grab our recommended healthy living products. There you have it, mamas, your pregnancy superfood playbook. Growing a tiny human is no small feat, so fuel your body with the best. Which of these superfoods are you excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with other moms-to-be who could use a nutritional boost. Hit that like button, subscribe for more pregnancy tips and tricks, and click the notification bell so you never miss out. Remember, you're not just eating for 2, you're nourishing a new life. So embrace your inner superhero and power up with these amazing foods. You've got this, mama. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and enjoy this incredible journey.